Tiny magnetic particles in air pollution can lead to Alzheimer's disease based on recent study by University of Technology, Sydney.
They investigated the effects of air pollution on brain health in mice and human neuronal cells in the lab. Previous research has shown that persons who live in places with high levels of air pollution are more likely to get Alzheimer's. Magnetite, a magnetic iron oxide molecule, has also been detected in higher concentrations in the brains of persons with Alzheimer's disease. However, this is the first study that looks whether the presence of magnetite particles in the brain can indeed lead to signs of Alzheimer's or not. Over a 4-month period, the researchers exposed healthy mice and mice genetically prone to Alzheimer's to very small iron, magnetite, and diesel hydrocarbon particles. Magnetite caused the most consistent Alzheimer's disease pathology. Magnetite led to the loss of neuronal cells in the hippocampus, which is critical for memory, and neuronal loss in somatosensory cortex, which processes bodily sensations. Mice prone to Alzheimer's disease even had more amyloid plaques. Mice also showed behavioral changes consistent with Alzheimer's disease, such as increased stress and anxiety and short-term memory impairment. Magnetite is a common frequent air pollutant. It is produced by high-temperature combustion processes such as car exhaust, wood fires, and power stations powered by coal, as well as brake pad friction and engine wear. When we inhale air pollutants, these magnetite particles may reach the brain via the lining of the nasal route and from the olfactory bulb, a tiny structure on the bottom of the brain responsible for smell analyzing, which bypasses the blood-brain barrier. The researchers also discovered that magnetite triggered an immunological response in mice and human brain cells in the laboratory. It caused inflammation and oxidative stress, which ultimately led to cell damage. So if you are living in a pollutant area, I highly recommend you to consider changing your place, or at least now that you know this extra harm, try to reduce other risk factors. Stay safe.